Oh.
Relax lang. Look at it. Look at it. Okay. Smile. Relax. Big smile. Uh-oh. Big smile. Open eyes. Nice. Then, ano mo baby? Then, palikod ka. Huwag ka na naman ako. Okay na niya. Ayun. Here. Smile. Big smile. Relax mo yung smile mo, baby. Nice. Then, isay na kake. Smile, big smile. Relax mo yung shoulder. Relax your shoulder. Smile.
Hindi na sapatos na.
Big smile. Dama ka din, chin.
Normal smile na.
Normal smile na. Normal.
Relax.
Like this na ko?
Smile.
Okay, smile.
Then, tingnan mo yung 6.
Number 6.
Yeah, smile. Big smile. Ang cute mo. Pahawak mo yung 6 din. Seven ka na next year. Beautiful na kami mo.
Big. Magpapa-pictorial pa kaya.
Oops. Dito sa ano, bandang lang hawak. Oo. Ayan. Then, pinte ate, smile. Smile. Big smile.
Ang ganda naman.
Happy. One more. Happy face. Tingnan mo yung 6. Look at number 6. Chin up, baby. Up na yung face mo.
Like this.
Then, look at number 6.
Guluhan na siya.
Then, look down. Ups. Up mo lang yung face. Then, look down. Ayan. Smile. Very good. One more. Nice. Next. Wala naman number 6. Okay. So, 4. One day na lang. Dito si ate. Ate, i-position mo. Aside siya dito.
Anong ipapaprint natin? May libre yung framing.
Snake
Yung
package.
package natin.
Yung pang...
Family.
Smile. Yan. One more.
Pilit naman ito.
Look here. Smile.